Hello, Bruce Bell here at the IKO-Fit Institute, upstate Chichester, New York. I just wanted to take a brief moment today to introduce to you a video that I have made called the IKO Intro. It's a rather long video, so I just wanted to prep you and give you a chance to find out more about the IKO-Ball. And the IKO-Ball is something that I have invented and I have made, and it is a geometric structure called the icosahedron, a platonic solid. But I've adapted it and used it as a fitness tool, a fitness apparatus. It'll help you lose weight. It'll help you get stronger body tone. It'll help you body shape, have more elegant spiraled shapes to your body. It will help you release stress and it'll energize you. You use it and you go, wow, I'm not exhausted. I feel good. And anyone can use this object. I've given it to my 92-year-old parents and they both improved their ability to get up out of a chair. In the video that I have made, I used this 1-foot IKO-Ball, but there are many more and other sizes, but let's start with this one first. And also in the video, I will introduce you to our proprietary training. And like with any fitness tool, if you don't know how to use it properly, you won't get the results that you were promised. I've been a fitness professional most of my life. Yoga teachers, health club owners, yoga center owners, dancers, athletes, and what's most interesting is an energy healer. With this tool, you could advance your awareness into the new world of movement called biotensegrity. The way we were taught about fitness is not really true. Biotensegrity will enlighten your eyes and it'll change your perceptions. It'll not only change your perceptions, but it'll change the way that you actually feel inside your body. This is a tool for the new embodiment. You will have a new sense of space of what it's like to be inside of you, and you'll have a new sense of space of what it's like to interact with the world outside of you. Plus, you'll know what to do when you have a sore neck or a nagging lower back pain. This is new. This will teach you how to take care of yourself. So I invite you to come in and get in on the ground floor. There's nothing else like this. 5 years ago, I couldn't walk. Orthopedic surgeons suggested hip replacement. I thought that was crazy. I had faith in my body to heal itself. And in my healing process of learning to get up off the floor and to walk, I discovered this shape, and it has made all the difference to me. All the difference that I stopped doing everything else that I was doing, and I made the IKO, and now I'm introducing it to you. There's nothing else like it. So I want you to follow this link. It's a tell-all video. You'll have a really good idea of what this can do for you. And if you're interested, you could take advantage of a one-time offer, a 50% discount offer on the IKO-Balls. And you know what? It's guaranteed. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. So go to this link below. It's ikofit.com/intro offer. Look at the video if you're interested. And right there, there'll be an opportunity to purchase the IKO-Balls, which I do make myself. And we'll go from there. Okay? Wishing you a healthy, long life full of movement and joy.